What's up guys? Welcome to Gyro's YouTube channel. Oy.
What's up, guys?
Oy, be quiet, be quiet. Yeah. Oy, wag mo. Filming to.
What's
This
up,
is
guys?
Xander's Nintendo thing for his phone. And I made this new toy.
Down!
And another one made out of paper. So basically, what you're gonna watch is...
Paano?
How? Wait. So basically, what you're gonna watch is us hanging out. And someone might be
Woo!
joining us later. Maybe, maybe not. You never know.
Sino?
Joke. No one.
Yan. Kala ko si Dek.
Huh?
3, 2, 1.
Ito na lang, mas madali. Paper. Joke lang, mas mahirap.
Okay.
Ano?
Hirang nga yan.
Ganto. Lagay mo, yung ganyan, lagay mo dito mo. I-curve mo pa ganto. Tapos yung kamay mo, i-curve mo para mag-close. Walang air dapat, maglalabas. Tapos i-ganto mo. Ano? Ay.
Wow!
Try mo to.
Okay.
Mas madali. Beginner friendly. Since you're a...
Diyo. Titi.
Masakit sa kamay.
Hindi ah.
Ba't kasi nakakaroon? Ganun mo kasi ah. Bukas mo. Dapat walang gap magpapakita dito. Tapos dapat makabukas. Ganito. Akin na kamay mo. Tapos... Okay na yan. Tapos may bulas. Paliwan. Ganito. Ilagay mo. Tapos... Kita mo ganyan, di ba? Tapos may ano pa. Kita mo pa ganyan. Tapos... Don't be sus. Filming to.
Okay.
I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
Okay lang.
Don't be sus, ha?
Hangge.
Ano?
Hangge.
Totoo, ipopost ko to sa YouTube.
Okay.
Parang Nintendo to, ah. Ganda.
What's Miski?
Don't say bad word or anything.
Okay.
Oh, ganda no.
Nakap.
Where is it? Where is it?
Ah!
Palit.
Okay, wait lang. 3, 2, 1.
Now wash me whip. Now wash me whip. Now wash me whip. Now wash me nene.
What's me whip?
Yung parang ginawa mo kanina. Ganto.
Yeah, no.
Give.
Ah!
O, lagay mo muna sa tamo para mas madali. Lagay mo ganun tapos ganito mo. Smack. ASMR. Ulit.
Tira mo yung nangyari sa akin.
Tingnan mo nangyari. Pakita paano yan nangyari.
Nagiginot ako sa charger ko, tapos natanggal.
Ako din. Ito naman natanggal yung balat lahat. Squeeze ball. Oy, film this. You see that wall?
See that wall?
Pakita mo.
Wait lang.
Show the wall. No. Just show the wall. Just show the wall. Yeah.
Show the wall, daddy.
What the hell does this us? Now do this. Oh no. That hurt. Don't be sus or bad word or anything bad.
Okay.
Ay, pairam nga to.
Okay.
Testingin ko nga lang. Gamitin mo nga. How? Now wash me with. Now wash me nene. Baliktad.
Ang sininis. Ano gusto mo? Dito.
Ravales.
Ivan?
Oo.
Or Shibans?
Filming to. Baka may Korean na mag-watch dito.
Hello, daddies.
What the hell? Di ba doon sa Bisas?
Ay, oo nga. No. Ito, oh. Like my balls.
Ano?
Not.
Uy!
Nothing.
Laka... Joke lang. Hindi ba iba yung dati? Yan ba yung dati o iba?
Dati.
Yan yung dati?
Oh.
Mas maganda yan sa dati.
Mas maganda pa sa dito na Switch OLED ko. Ha?
OLED.
Oh.
OLED yung bibilin mo?
No.
Ano?
Light. Wait tayo. Upo nga ako. Para mag-ready ako.
Akin. Try ko. Akin na.
Dito lang sa shooting range, baka malose mo yung ano ko.
Sige.
Okay, wait. Wait lang!
Wait, baliktad ba yung screen? Hi guys. Igagadis mo na. What's up?
Mag-i-spam ka lang ng ano, ng teeth.
I'm not looking at the camera talaga. Tinitignan ko lang yung mukha ko.
O, nag-i-slide lang to ah.
Paano slide? Kina. Paano shoot?
Hindi to.
Ay, okay.
Tapos dito ang ano,
Ang
ang spectate. Init. Sorry kung lagi ah.
I like it. Zander, I like this.
Okay, sa'yo na.
Yay, thank you.
Okay.
Bakit why do I feel like baliktad ako?
Kasi baliktad.
Oh, thank you. That's very amazing. Thanks. Testing it out. Ito na.
Sa'yo na.
No. Hello, YouTube. Saan mo yan nakuha? Oh, I'm gonna stare at the camera without blinking. Guys, if you made it this far, like and subscribe. If not, I don't really care if you don't like.
Gira!
If you don't like and subscribe, I don't really care. It's your choice if you want to like.
Ba't hindi na ako nag-move?
I do not know, my friend.
Oh my gosh. Mind broke.
By the way, this is just a baliktad. This is just a flip over.
Flip-flop!
Mentos, and then you flip it over. Any candy wrapper should do. And then you just easy. Oh, I'm gonna teach Xander how to do this. Xander, you're my student. Oh, first do this. Flying skibidi. Where's my gagamba? Let's find. Okay. I'll show the viewer.
What's up, the guys? This is my ano. Ito yung...
I caught it for him. It's very small because it's just a baby. It will actually grow. the hell?
I'm just looking at Gyro. Watch me whip! Watch me baby!
Wag, don't be maingay. May mga natutulog. Don't be sus also. I've said that for the millionth time. Ihugasan mo yan. Yeah. Yeah. Paper. Di ba? Kakahugas. I-dry mo muna kasi. Ito yun, way brown. Uy, wag. Ah! Not on my NBA shirt. Los Angeles Clippers. Los Angeles. Oh, three. Ay, sticky o sticky.
Ay!
Roll. Let's hang it there. Look. Show the video. Show mo yung wala. Oh no. Get down here, boy. Get down here. Wait lang, sura ko lang. Andito po kaibigan ko po. Andito po kaibigan ko. Hoy. Rate ko to 1 out of 10.
1.
1?
Yeah.
Why? Sus. You're a
Palabasay
sus.
ko.
Sige, palabasin mo. Alam mo yung gambang samon? Meron dun, oh. Joke. Uy, nakita mo yung tuko? Wait lang, kunin ko lang slingshot ko. Okay. Boy, mag-bless ka. Okay.
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
Gutom. Amin na ako. Nakukuhaw na ako. Ay, ito.
Okay guys, Zander, magbabay tayo to the video.
Bye guys!
Bye-bye guys!
And then, nagbababay si Spider.
Ay, nawala. Napunta sa baba, oh.
Guys, wait.
Wait lang. We're gonna see the spider's gonna say bye-bye. Wait, ako.
Ako.
Wait, ako. Please. Please, Peter, I need this. Please. My spider is kind of bye-bye-less. It got no manner. Ako. Ako na kasi. Si
Bye-bye!
Di nga nakikita eh.
Bye-bye!
Okay, bye-bye guys. See you in the next video.